Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions for all your kitchen needs. Today, we have something special for those of you who love perfect rice and crave convenience. This is the best car rice cooker you'll find, the Kuchen 2.1 Ultra High Pressure Induction Heating Rice Cooker, model CRT RPK0640IUS. This rice cooker brings the magic of ultra-high pressure cooking right to your kitchen with a stunning 6-cup capacity. The first thing that stands out about the Kuchen rice cooker is its advanced technology. It uses a 2.1 atm pressure system that makes sure your rice reaches an optimal temperature of 121 degrees Celsius, or 250 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for extracting the maximum flavor and texture from any grain. Whether you're making sticky rice, congee, or even mixed grain rice, you're going to love the results. The rice comes out perfectly cooked, with each grain soft yet distinct, making it the ideal companion for any meal. But that's not all. This rice cooker is a true multitasker. It offers 10 different menu options, so you can customize your cooking experience to suit your needs. From sticky rice to gaba rice, and even a steam dish setting, this rice cooker lets you create a variety of dishes, making it versatile enough to fit all your cooking needs. When it comes to safety, Kuchen has thought of everything. The full stainless power lock system ensures that no matter how high the pressure or temperature gets inside, the cooker remains safe and secure. You can cook with peace of mind, knowing that this cooker has been designed to handle high heat and pressure efficiently and safely. The added features are a delight as well. The silent steam cap ensures that there's minimal noise during cooking, which can make a big difference when you want to keep things quiet in the kitchen. The one-touch menu button makes this rice cooker super easy to use. Just select your setting, and you're ready to go. There's also the Auto Steam Clean feature, which takes the hassle out of post-cooking cleanup, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal. What's more, this rice cooker is made in Korea, a country famous for its top-of-the-line kitchen technology. Kuchen stands behind its product with a 1-year warranty, so you can trust that you're investing in a high-quality appliance built to last. All in all, the Kuchen 2.1 Ultra High Pressure Induction Heating Rice Cooker is a kitchen essential for anyone who takes their rice seriously. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this rice cooker is going to take your cooking to the next level. Make sure to grab yours today and experience the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.